Welcome to new video. Today's topic: solving system of linear equations by using elimination method. We are starting from number 18. Here is two equation. First one, 3r minus 5s equals to minus 35. Equation 1. Then 2r minus 5s equals to minus 30. This is equation 2. So first we have to eliminate any terms. So here is minus 5s and here is also minus 5s. So if we make subtraction from equation 1 to 2, we will get, here is minus, this one is plus, and this one is plus. So minus 5s and minus plus 5s out. So here is r equals to minus 5. Right? So these are equals to minus 5. We will put any equation. So we can write equation 1. We are putting r equals to minus 5. Right? Then look, 3r minus 5s equals to minus 35. Then 3 times r means minus 5, and here is minus 5s equals to minus 35. Then 3 times 5 is a 15, so minus 15, and here minus 5s equals to minus 35. Then minus 5s equals to minus 35 plus 15. Then minus 5s equals to minus 35 plus 15 is what? Is minus 20. Then we can divide both sides by minus 5. It means minus 5s divide minus 5 equals to minus 20 divide minus 5. So here minus 5 and minus 5 out, and here is minus 20 divide minus 5 is a 4. So our required answer is equals to 4. So r is equals to, r is a minus 5 and a and is 4. This is our answer. Okay, so number 18 done. Please note that I am using algebra 1 practice problem, and I'm trying to solve randomly these kinds of math, not serially. Suppose now I am in 18, then 19, then 20. Next we will transfer to word problem, where is from 30, 31, 32. Okay, so number 19. Here is also two equation. One is 13a plus 5b equals to minus 11. Then 13a plus 11b equals to 7. One equation, another one is second equation. So here is term a, 13 and also 13. So we can make subtraction, minus, minus, and this is also minus. So 13a and minus 13a out, and here is minus 5b minus 11b is a 6b, and here is minus 11 and minus 7 is a minus 18. Now we can divide both sides minus 6, so b equals to 3. Right? So these 3 we will put, suppose equation 2. So equation 2 we are putting b equals to 3. So 13a plus 11b equals to 7. Then 13a plus 11b, 11b means 3, equals to 7. Then 13a plus 33 equals to 7, then 13a equals to 7, then what? Then minus 33, right? So 13a equals to minus 26. So minus 26 divide 13, we will get a equals to minus 2. So a, b equals to, a means minus 2 and b means 3. Okay, answer. So number 19 done. Number 20. 3x minus 5y equals to 16. This is equation 1. And minus 3x plus 2y equals to minus 10, equation 2. So we can make addition. So these 3x and minus 3x will be out, and here is minus 5y plus 2y will be minus 3y equals to 16 minus 10 is a 6. Okay, so now we can divide both sides by minus 3, so y equals to minus 2. Very simple, right? So this y equals to minus 2 we will put in equation 1. Equation 1 we put y equals to minus 2. So 3x minus 5y equals to 16. Then 3x minus 5y means minus 2 equals to 16. Then 3x minus and minus plus, 5 times 2 is a 10 equals to 16. Then 3x equals to 16. This plus 10 become minus 10. Now here is 3x, 16 minus 10 is a 6. So once we divide both sides by 3, x equals to 2, right? So x, y means, x means 2 and y means minus 2. This is our answer. So number 18, 19, 20 done. Now we will try to solve some words problem. Let's start. Number 30. Here is the sum of two numbers is 48 and their difference is 24. What are the numbers? So look, let here is we have to find out the numbers. Let numbers are m and n. Okay, so as per question, the sum of two numbers is 48. So m plus n equals to 48. We can make this one equation 1, and then their difference, so m minus n equals to 24, which is equation 2. Look here, if you want you can mention also like this. You can write let larger number m and smaller n. Okay, so now we have to find out the value of m and n. So it's a very simple thing. We can make addition. So plus n and minus n out. M plus m is a 2m, and 48 plus 24 is a 72. Now we can divide both sides by 2. So m equals to 36. This 36 we will put any equation. Equation 1 we put m equals to 36, right? So we will get m plus n equals to 48. Then m means 36 plus n equals to 48. Now n equals to 48 minus 36, so n equals to 12. Okay, so very simple. Now let's check. 36, checking. Here mention two number summation. The sum of two numbers is 48. So one number is 36, another number is 12. So once we make sum, it will become 48. Again 36 minus 12 is a 24. So verified. Number 30 done. 31, find the two numbers whose sum is 51 and whose difference is 13. So similar, we are checking two numbers. Let smaller number n and larger m, right? So we can write sum, it means m plus n equals to 51, which is equation 1. Then m minus n equals to 13, which is equation 2. So we have to find out m and n. We can make addition. Once we add plus n and minus n out, 2m equals to 51 plus 13 is a 64. We can divide both sides by 2, m equals to 32, right? Now any equation, like we can write in here equation, suppose 1, we put m equals to 32. So m plus n equals to 51. Then m means 32 plus n equals to 51. Now n equals to 51 minus 32, which is, here is 9 and here is 1, 19. So m n equals to 32 and 19. You may check this one, like 32 plus 19 will be 51 and 32 minus 19 will be 13. Okay, so number 31 done. Now today's last question, which is 3 times one number added to another number is 18. Twice the first number minus the other number is 12. Find the numbers. So very interesting math. Step by step we try to solve this one. So this is 32. So first we have to understand 3 times one number added to another number, but we don't know the number. The result is 18. So one number we are adding 3. So let's the numbers are A and B. So 3 times added one number, it means 3a plus added to another number, it means b. The result will be 18. We can make this one equation 1. And twice the first number, so twice the first number is a, so 2a number, twice the first number minus the other number, but here is not mentioned twice or thrice anything, 3 times anything. So only b equals to what? 12, and this is equation 2. So we have to find out this one. So first we can make addition. So plus b and minus b out. So here is 3a, 2a, it will be 5a equals to 18 plus 12 is a 30. Now we can divide both sides by 5. So a equals to 6. So a number is 6. Then equation 1 we put a equals to 6. So 3a plus b equals to 18. Then 3 times a means 6 plus b equals to 18. Right? Now look. 3 times 6 is 18 plus b equals to 18. Right? Now look. B equals to 18 minus 18, it will be 0. So a b equals to a is a 18, sorry, a is a 6, right? A is a 6 and b is a 0, and this is our answer. So this is our videos. I'm trying to solve 6 math including word problem. So this is my channel Math Jeep, where I'm trying to solve math based problem. Today we are trying to solve solving system of linear equation, and we are following elimination method. So I hope you will subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Thank you.